Good morning and welcome to Medical Math, practical problems in mathematics for health occupations. We're going to cover Chapter 2. By now everyone should have completed Chapter 1. Just to give you some information, Chapter 1 we're going to grade when we're in person on Monday. I'll take up all that information and then that way I'll grade it and put your scores on. So Chapter 1, Medical Math, addition, should be completed by now. If not, you still have time. Don't worry, you still got time. Remember to show your work. What we're going to do with whole numbers now is we're going to go to subtraction of whole numbers. Again, let me say that I want you to show your work. I do not want you to use a calculator, only to check your work. We should be able to add simple numbers or subtract simple numbers in our heads. Hopefully we're able to do that. But this will give us some practice. So we're going to go to the subtraction of whole numbers in Chapter 2. So as we do that, this is what it's going to look like. Chapter 2, let me get my paper lined up here. What side am I going to? Let's go to this side. All right, so we're going to do basic principles of subtraction of whole numbers. Now the example of that is we're still going just like we did, and it'll occur for all math in simple terms, is that we will start and we will line up on the right hand side our problem. So as you look, the example here, subtraction, we're going to take 435 from 679. Your higher numbers are always on top, especially when doing subtraction. You have to have your larger number on top. So 679 minus 435. So starting to the right, we're going to take 5 away from 9. So that's going to be 4. Okay, so how do we do that? We're just going to take it away. If I had 9 apples and I took 5 apples away, how many apples would that give me? That will give me 4. Now again, we can use our fingers and toes if necessary. We can use whatever method. We can use paper and pencil. Pencil I have found is always good, especially in mathematics, because I myself have had to erase a lot of mistakes. So 5 from 4, so we're going to, or 5 from 9, so that's going to equal 4. So 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. So that's the 4. Now we're going to work right to left. We're going to go to the second column, and we're going to have 3 from 7. So 6, 5, 4. So our second answer is going to be 4 as we go across. And then our final, 4 from 6. Okay? So 5, 4, 3, 2, and there's where we're at. There's 2 left. Now, what if there's not enough on the top to take it out as easily? So we're going to look at example 2. It's subtract 289 from 932. Again, we're going to line it up on the right. We're going to put our highest number up, and then we're going to subtract our smaller number from it. So 9 from 2. Well, there's not enough there to take away. So we're going to borrow from the next column over. So we're going to borrow 1 from the 3, so that'll make that a 2. We're going to add 1 to the 2, that'll make that 12. So 9 from 12, 11, 10, 9. So our answer is going to be 3. And I'm sorry I did that a little backward. Let's rework that again. My apologies. So 9 from 12, so 12, 11, 10, 9, 3. So our first answer for the first column is 3. So then we're going to take 4 from 2. Well, we know we don't have enough there to take that away. So if we needed to take away, let's say we got an order for 8 apples, okay? And we only have 2 apples in the bin, then we've got to find another bin or another area that has extra apples to add to that. So we're going to do that from the next column. We have the 9. We're going to take 1 from the 9, leaving 8 in that column. We're going to add 1 to the 2, okay? So then we have 12. So 8 from 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Again, I did that a little backward. The answer is 4. So let's do it this way as well. All right, so 8 from 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. So that's 4. I did it backward again. So let me do it the other way. All right, 8 from 12, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The answer is still 4. So 4, 3. I hope I don't confuse you there. All right, so then we have the last column to subtract. All right, so 2 from 8. So 2 from 8, 7, 6. Okay, or if we, so 2 from 8 will be 6. So our answer is 6, 43. All right, so an easy way to check the answer is to add the answer, the difference, to the number that was subtracted. If you get the original number, your answer is correct. Now I'm trying to read this through the camera, so please bear with me. So that's how you can check your answer to see if it's correct. Take the difference, what's left, and the number you subtracted, and you should get the original answer. All right, so that is subtraction of whole numbers. Now, as we look, we have word problems that we have to take the information that's given to us and then subtract the numbers to get our answers. Realize we have covered addition and now we've covered subtraction. There may be a combination of both, but the main problem is going to be subtraction of whole numbers. So this is the lecture. We're looking at 6 minutes, 30-some seconds, very short lecture, subtraction of whole numbers. These are things that we've covered probably ever since kindergarten, first grade, second grade, third grade. I realize it's very basic, but that's where we start. We start with the basics, we work on those, and we'll get to higher concepts. Now, let me say that this is the lecture for Chapter 2, Unit 2 of Subtraction of Whole Numbers. So now we've covered 2 chapters in lecture. On Monday, be ready for a test in medical math. And you're like, Mr. Justice, it's crazy. We can't do that. Yes, it's just going to be simple math. Here's what I'm going to do. I'll be right up front with you. I have some worksheets, first, second, third grade worksheets. You're not going to have a calculator. You're not going to be, you can use your fingers and toes. Kind of going to be simple so you don't have to use your neighbor's fingers and toes. Because of COVID, social distancing. As the room's set up, as you'll see when you get here. So we're going to take that and we're going to subtract. You're going to have probably somewhere between 10 and 20 problems. Simple addition. Now, I'm not going to, today's Thursday, the 24th of September, so we're not going to do a subtraction test on Monday. But you will have a little exam on addition, Chapter 1. Guys, I know you're looking forward to it. I hope you have a great day. My day's well. I hope yours is the same. Until next time, Mr. Justice is out.